Well, good day and welcome to season 9 of This Real Fisherman. Well, here we are right smack in the middle of May, and we got a beautiful day today. The high's going to be in the low 80s, and the situation here down on the Mississippi up here in northwestern Illinois, we've had record flooding the past couple months, and the water is just now receding. I think it peaked at around 21.5 and now it's down probably around 14 or something like it. So it's come down enough to knock back some of the flooded areas. And today I'm down at a place where we're in some backwater, and there's a bridge that separates two parts of the backwater, and of course that's been above water, several feet above water, and it's just now lowered enough to where if I'm wearing boots I can kind of wade out onto the bridge. And this is the opportunity I'm hoping to get some of these fish that's come back into these backwaters because of the flooding. So I want to catch some of these fish before they take off and head for parts unknown. So anyhow, I'm going to take a couple tools with me. One is just my standard pole with an ice jig on it. Nothing magic there. You've seen me use that many times. And the other one is my little homemade spinner, okay, which I use for pike and bass and whatever else I can catch on it. So those are the two baits, two of the three baits. The other bait I use is a jig with a spike, but that's for vertical jigging. So I'm not going to be doing, well, I may have to come back. I may end up doing some vertical jigging, but I'm not going to take 3 poles with me. Because I've got a little hike down here to get to the water. So anyhow, I've got my bait bag here so I can use live bait if I need it. Okay, got my poles, got my boots on, and we'll see. Now I may not be able to get out there on that bridge, but you'll understand all this after we get down there. You can see the results of all the flooding. All this was underwater just a couple days ago. And you can see it's left me just a little pathway here to get back to this area. I can see there's water over top of the bridge. I just hope it's not so deep that I can't wade on it. Looks like dry land's gonna be at a premium. Whoa, I just seen a fish take off here. Looks like I can fish here. I don't know if there's any place that I'm going to be able to set the camera. No dry way to set the camera up. It's the problem. Well, there we go. Bass on. There he is. We'll take him. There we go. Fish on. There's another bass. Okay. Fish on. It's gonna lose an eye. No, I didn't want that. Fish on. Must be. Oh, there went the goddamn bait. Little bit. Well, okay, that was a tough fish to wade back here. I had to mount the camera on a branch because I was in water all around me. So it was a tough fish for 4 small bass, but boy, they're in there. The bass are in there. They weren't really hitting. So I don't know. I may come back later today, see what's going on, and play it by ear. So we're going to continue fishing today. So hang with me, and we'll see how things go. Okay, folks, I'm going to get the boots back on. I'm at another location. We caught those 4 small bass earlier. I stopped and had lunch, pork tenderloin and fries, and now I'm at Spring Lake, and the water looks pretty clear up here, and it looks fishable. As I told you earlier, we had major flood a few weeks back. The water's just now receding. It's still at minor flood stage, but you can still get some of the backwater. You saw how tough it was this morning. Looks like it'll be a little easier this afternoon because at least I can use the camera as I normally would. I don't have to strap it to a tree. Get it. Oh God, get it. Fish on. There goes my gripper and everything. Doesn't start swimming off with it. Oh, you son of a... There goes my gripper.